Hi there, Jessica Wade with YWAIT Agency. Today, I'm showing you how to turn every sale into a five-star review using your CRM's built-in review automated automation system. This setup takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, it runs completely hands-free. If Why wait? Set up your CRM. We already completed these steps for you, but it's still beneficial for you to go through and learn what the process will look like and what interactions will be occurring with the customer. So let's dive in. Okay. In our previous modules, we built the post purchase automation that tags contacts, updates the opportunity, and tracks the buyer's journey. Now we're going to extend that workflow to a happy customer for a review, asking a happy customer for a review. And we're going to do it automatically. This is perfect if you're running your swag store, if you are selling other products, or managing client fulfillment. Every new order is a chance to boost your Google rating and grow your reputation online. So we're in the automations tab here. You're going to open up your new purchase review request. And then let's break down exactly what happens with this. So here you've got your swag store purchase. Now I know we use this trigger in another automation, but I like to keep it clean, so I keep them separate. If you want to combine them with your existing purchase workflow, you can do everything under one trigger. But just for this purpose and walkthrough, I'll keep them separate just for clarity. Okay, so we have the swag store purchase once it's occurred. Um, Before we jump into reviews, let's kind of start with a warm personal touch. So, inside this workflow, I've added a new purchase email. This step is a friendly thank you message, basically, that goes out right after checkout. To find this, you would hit the back button, you would go to marketing and emails templates. You're going to look for that swag store again, and you will see the new purchase email. Now, it's short and simple and personal, just a quick thank you note for supporting the brand. I do recommend, if you haven't already done so, you customize this message to sound a little bit more like you. Add your logo, color theme, maybe even a fun signature like support. Your support means the world. Enjoy your new swag. Jessica from YWAIT, or however you want your personal touch to the email. Okay. Now, for the magic, we are going to go back to the reviews automation. Okay. So we'll hit the back button. We'll go to automations. We will locate our swag store automations and we'll go back to that new purchase review. So we sent out that email. We're going to wait just a little bit. I usually recommend 14 days. You can do it shorter or quicker, however you prefer. And then from basically 14 days might allow the time for the purchase to get there, is my thought process. But again, you can designate the wait period. Then we're going to set up a trigger to send a review request, and it's going to email them. Then it's going to wait less than a minute, and then it will send them a text message. It's simple, powerful, and done. Every time a purchase happens, your customer will automatically get a friendly follow up asking for a review without you having to remember a thing. Now, let's tell your CRM where to send those reviews. What you're going to do is you're going to hit the back button. You are going to head over to reputation. From here, you're going to locate your settings, and then you will go to integrations. These are all the different integrations that you can connect for your Google review. For your various reviews. You can connect multiple review sites here, but 9 out of 10 times we're going to use your Google business review. So you'll come down here. We are already connected on this account, but what you would do is it would say integrate. You would click on integrate. And you want to make sure that you log into your Google account connected to your business profile. If you run multiple brands, you should choose which profile you want us to review. Once that's done, you can test your review link. And if you want to spread reviews across multiple platforms like Google platform, Facebook platform, or Yelp, you can turn on balancing and then rotate evenly to grow your reputation amongst the different fonts and formats and everything. Okay, so we have connected the Google. We're selecting Google reviews, and then we chose the page that we would like it. This is where you would choose that balancing review if you are going to connect other um, review platforms here. Okay, now this is where your brand voice is going to shine. You're going to go to reputation, then you're going to look at the SMS review requests. From here, you also will want to look at the email review request. So this is a automated message. It should already be set up for you if you are a YWAIT client, but you can come in here and edit what this message will look like. So when you do request the review, it's going to say, "Hi there, thank you for choosing YWAIT. Will you be willing to leave a 30-second review, letting us and leave us a quick review?" Link below to make it easy. So this is something that is a quick, short, personal message. They'll get it via text message with the link to be able to leave the Google review. You also can click on email review. This is under your marketing templates, but you can click on here as well to edit and review your drafts email here. I have it as a setup, but if you want to see how you can edit it or adjust it, again, you will go back to your marketing emails template, and we are looking for that default template that is related to your Google reviews. So you can come in here, adjust your brand logo, the copy, and everything along those lines to make it pretty and to your brand. Um, just kind of a warm, short, and genuine is the goal. Remember, they don't have to review the swag itself. If you're a local business, the goal is to get them to review about your brand experience, your service, your atmosphere, your story. So keep that in mind. While we're requesting the review based on them purchasing swag, most of the time the review is going to represent your business versus it being about the swag itself. Now, once this is set up, your automation takes over. Every time a new order comes in, they will get the thank you email, they'll get a review request, they'll email and text, and your Google reputations will grow automatically. The best part is once you set it up, it keeps working forever. And that's it. Your post sales review automation is now live. With just a few steps, you've turned your store into a review generating machine that keeps your brand visible, creditable, and on top ranked on Google. What more could you ask for? If you want YWAIT Agency to help you build out a full reputation and automated system inside your CRM, if it's not already done for you, go to YWAITagency.com and request that setup because your customers love you. And you want to make sure that everyone on the internet knows that they love you, and eventually they'll come to a point where they want to love you too. So with that said, it's the end of this module. You guys are ready to move on to the next. We are close to wrapping things up here, so I hope you have enjoyed this onboarding process so far, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.